Hello, my topic is credit card fraud detection using machine learning. For research paper, I little modify my topic as early prediction of credit card fraud detection using isolation forestry and local outlier factor machine learning algorithm. To detect credit card fraud detection, I use two algorithms, that is isolation forestry and local outlier, which are of machine learning algorithms. First, we learn what is credit card fraud. When someone other than owner of a card use card for its own usage without no owner know about this is called credit card fraud. According to Shift Credit Card Processing website, USA is a global leader in credit card fraud prone country. Credit card is one of the vital thing nowadays for everyone, even in developing country like our country India. We use credit card to pay bill for shopping and many things other. With increase in use of credit card, fraud with credit card are also increased side by side. In this study, we propose two machine learning model that are isolation forestry and local outlier factor to predict fraud transaction in credit card accurately. Our objective is to detect 100% of fraud transaction while minimizing the incorrect fraud classification. What are main challenges in credit card fraud detection? First one is enormous data is processed every day and model must be fast enough to respond to the scam in time. Second one is imbalanced data, which means that most of transactions are not valid, which are not fraud. Third one is data availability, as data is mostly private. And fourth one is misclassified data is present. Now we talk about data set. We have taken data set from Kaggle website, and data set contain transaction made by credit cards in September 2013 by European cardholders. Dataset present transaction that occur in 2 days, which contain 492 fraud transaction and 2,84,315 valid transaction, and total transaction are 2,84,807 transactions. Dataset has 31 feature or variable. V1 to V28 are transformed into PCA value due to confidentiality issues. There are three more features that are amount, time, and class, which are not PCA transformed. We can see in this table about variable and explanation about them, what are data types and the scale. Class. If class value is 0, we can say it is normal transaction, and 1 for fraud transaction. Heat map. We have constructed heat map to see relationship between features, but we can see here there is no relationship between any of this feature. Now we move on to our first algorithm, isolation forestry. It is a newest technique to develop to detect anomaly or outlier. It's based on fact that anomalies are data points that are few and different. Isolation forestry isolate observation by randomly selecting feature and then randomly selecting split value between minimum and maximum value of selected feature. Isolation forestry first create isolation tree or random decision tree, then score is calculated as a path length to isolate observation, which has a lowest path length is taken as an outlier to isolate. And this algorithm has a low time complexity and small memory requirement. Second algorithm is outlier factor, local outlier factor. Local outlier factor is a unsupervised outlier detection method. It's compute local density deviation of a given data point with respect to its neighbor. It consider as outlier sample that have subsequently low density than its neighbor. In this research, we got 99.74% of accuracy with isolation forestry, and with local outlier factor, we got 99.64 percentage. That's all we got. Thank you.